Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today I'm going to discuss about the product which is Bio-Telemetry Implant Antenna. I am Dr. Mohammad Nazmul Shakib and our co-inventors are from University of Malaysia Pahang as well as from University of Malaya. The project background of this research is the device need to be implant with compact in size and also biocompatibility. So it required to have use this kind of things because the old people requires a very small device to be implanted in near future so it can be transmit the signals properly. So this is the total architecture of the product. RAD has been used in this device to be used for testing method, and the device has used our implant, our product, and inserted, and later on checked through the testing other materials such as through kidney, liver, and observe the results. For architecture, we can see that if we put the antenna device itself with the exercise rad, so after putting this exercise rad and use inside the subcutaneous in the subcutaneous tissue, then close the wound and take the signal. After taking the signal, we use it overdose the exercise rad, and later on we use the skin and the liver to check the situations of the device itself inside the rad. At the figure you can see it, this is the final product on the first photo. The second photo is the newly designed the product implant antenna, and the bottom figure of figure 2 is the rad exercise with the functioning at the live. This is the final product of the device, and the cost estimate is 100 ringgit. And the configuration, you can see the radiating element is 10 by 12 millimeter, is Mandela shape patch, and it has also a ground plane 10 by 12 millimeter square. And also this device is biocompatible. The novelty of design is it's a new Mandela shape patch structure with ground plane. It's a compact implant info antenna. It is also a biocompatibility. So looking at the result, the first figure, we can see that the simulation and measure result looking at is both are below 10 dB negative, which is shows there is a good response for the signal. And also the second figure, we can see the current distribution. The current is highly distributed inside the Mendel line, shows that this is a stability is very high of the device. So now looking at the figure first and second, which is the one control group and the experimental group. Basically, the group has been segmented in one is control group, one is experimental group. The experimental group has been kept and the device inside, and both has been kept for 7 days. The control group without any device, experimental group with the device. Looking at the first one is the no device, second is figure is with device, and you can see the cavity, and the following figure 6 is the liver. If A is control group and for the B is experimental group. Looking at the figure both, we can see that there's no significant stress differences, hence device perfectly well working inside the implant rad. Usefulness is low cost, easy to fabricate, and can be useful for wireless medical telemetry system 1430 MHz band application into an environment suitable for glucose monitoring. If you look at the market survey, so by looking at the survey, you can see that the years is a global market for antennas, and hence it can be used. The volume is very much good and can be used for global. Demand is dynamic for the industries can be telemedicine, aerotel medical systems, and we can see looking at the market structure that the curve is increasing. That means the demand is very high for the future. Marketability, looking at it can be small and medium biomedical industries, health industries, biotechnology industries, and implant industries. The environmental impact is it requires low power, minimize use of renewable energy, is a biodependable. So collaboration is done with the fusion, so basically which is for analysis and characterization of the device. also have the publications in two different journals. Funding is done in under UMP. We have two patent has been invented. It's already been awarded in MTTC Industry Special Award, as well as it also achieved the gold medal. So thank you so much.